Air conditioning at home is now less than the price of a weekly shop. Forget fans, I've got actual air conditioning in my bedroom. Whilst you lot are all sweating in this heat wave, I'm sleeping like a baby. I got this one off TikTok. It's on a deal at the minute. It comes with a remote, a night mode for quiet operation, and an exhaust pipe as well to go out your window. Now, ideally, you'd have a hole in the wall for this, but it works just fine with the window. Apparently, it's a dehumidifier as well, but I'm only using the cold air at the minute. It's 16 degrees it's blowing out. Energy rated A, which is pretty good, and it's compact enough to store in the cupboard when I'm not using it either. As you can imagine, these are flying off the shelves in a minute. If that deal's still on and there's any left, then I'll try and link it down here for you.